All right, y'all. So to start out, I'm soaking my spinach and tomatoes in some water and lemon juice just to clean them off. And I have this chicken sausage, but I had some vegan sausage in my fridge. I don't know why I didn't use it, but whatever. So these are the seasonings I'm using for the fritters and also the lemon garlic aioli that's going to go on the burrito or taco, whatever it's called. So, yep, and I had some onions left over in my fridge from like last night, so I kept those. And this is 1 can of chickpeas. So, after I added these to the bowl, I realized, you know what? I'm a hungry ass girl. I'm probably going to need two of them. So, I added another can of chickpeas and now I'm cutting up my sausages. All right, so now that the sausages are cut up, I'm gonna take my potato masher and mash up like 95% of the chickpeas and leave just a little bit just for texture. All right, so now let's add our purple onions or red onions or whatever you call those. And I'm going to cut up my sausages a little bit more just so like every single bite of the fritter, I can taste the sausages. So, I got to distribute that and put that in the mixture. And now I'm going to add my chicken seasoning. I use that in everything, you guys. Some paprika, which I love, garlic powder. Listen, can't go without garlic powder. Black pepper and a little bit of this light yogurt. Now, y'all, this recipe is super simple. If you want to make it vegan, all you have to do is get the soy-free vegan sausages. I'm going to show you guys which ones I use all the time. And just get some dairy-free plain yogurt. So, yeah, that's really it. Super easy. So, yeah. So, now I'm going to mix this up with my hand. And it's really messy. It's fun, but it's like messy. It's all over the place. But it's okay. All right, so in the pot, I have some sunflower mixed with olive oil, and that's on medium. And I'm just molding these to, small little fritter shapes, and I'm just going to throw it in the oil right there and let these brown. All right, so I'm gonna move this oil around a little bit so I can make sure they're cooking evenly, and I'm gonna check it like every couple minutes to make sure they're not burning. All right, so now time for this lemon garlic aioli. Now, this is the first time I'm making this ever, and I'm pretty confident because the ingredients are so simple. It's like, how can you mess this up, right? So I have half a lemon in here. I added my light plain yogurt, and now I'm seasoning it up with my chicken seasoning, garlic powder, black pepper, and a little bit of olive oil and salt. So here's what it looks like so far. And I'm gonna mix that up and taste it. It was you know what I'm saying? It was I feel like I needed a little bit more depth. So I added some soy sauce, some paprika, nutritional yeast, and some parsley. And I'm gonna mix that up and try it again. All right, y'all, that was like 10 times better. Yeah, whatever I did, that last part, yeah, we did that. All right, so about these fritters, I did not put an egg in it, so they are for sure coming apart in the pan. So I had to be really careful when flipping it because, y'all, these were all over the place. But I tried not to put an egg in it just because I felt like I don't need it for flavor, and I don't really care if it falls apart. So yeah, if you don't want it to fall apart, then I do suggest adding an egg to the batter. But of course, that would make it like not vegan anymore. But there are substitutes, but I'll get into that later. So I added the aioli on top. I'm adding some onions and my spinach and tomatoes. And we are basically done. Now, when I rewatched this footage, I was kind of mad because I'm like, damn, I forgot the avocado. How could I forget the avocado? But y'all, it was still amazing. All right, y'all. So I'm done with my footage and being all pretty and stuff. Time to take a bite. And when I tell you, it was so good. Like, whoa. Like surprisingly good. Like I've never had chickpea fritters before. Like I've only seen them online, but y'all, this recipe was amazing, super flavorful, and I'm definitely gonna try the full plant-based version because I feel like I can easily do that. So let me know what you guys think about it. Try it at home and let me know how it turned out. Gotta add my tomatoes. I love tomatoes. So yes, guys, 10 out of 10, like amazing. Loved it. I'm definitely going to be eating this more often.